Hey, I'm Jake. This is Daily Stock Market, your quick daily catch-up on everything moving in the market. Uber just teamed up with Rivian for a massive robotaxi investment. Plus, oil's getting wild and Micron reported some solid numbers. Let's get through this quick so you're caught up. All right, let's break down what's happening out there. Uber just announced a whopping $1.25 billion investment in Rivian. They're planning to roll out 50,000 robotaxis by 2031. Honestly, this is a game changer for urban transportation, and it's got the market buzzing. Now, here's the thing with oil. The U.S. Israeli tensions with Iran are really messing with the markets. Oil prices are all over the place, and Europe is feeling the heat. It's a rough ride for energy stocks right now. Keep an eye on this one because it's not calming down anytime soon. Switching gears to tech, Micron stock just had a nice pop. They reported strong earnings driven by AI chip demand. The semiconductor space is heating up, and Micron's positioned itself well. If you're into tech, this is a stock to watch. So that's the scoop. Plenty to keep an eye on today. So let's talk about Venture Global. They're in the spotlight today with a huge 10% jump sitting at $16.34. Venture Global is making waves in the energy sector, and this sudden spike has everyone talking. If you're looking for energy action, this is one to watch. All right, Micron Technologies got our attention with a bit of a dip today, down a little over 3% at $446.87. They're in the mix because their earnings showed strong AI chip demand. It's a slight dip, but the outlook for chips is still strong. So Mark Tilbury just dropped a new video, and while he isn't focusing solely on Micron, he's weaving in some important insights. Tilbury's talking about the strategy behind maintaining privacy about your financial success, a critical idea for anyone trading or investing. He hints that sharing too much can lead to unnecessary risks, like attracting the wrong kind of attention. In terms of investing, the advice seems to lean more towards keeping your cards close to your chest. It's a reminder that sometimes the quieter investors have the loudest results. Smart move, if you ask me. Now, Schwab Network has been delving into Micron's latest earnings call. From what they highlighted, the earnings report was pretty solid, especially with the AI. Chip demand soaring. But here's their take. While the numbers are good, the geopolitical tensions are casting a shadow over the prospects. They're advising investors to keep a close eye on any shifts in these tensions since they could impact the market's direction. So if you're holding Micron or thinking about it, stay sharp and watch those news cycles. Not a time to be complacent. All right, quick update on one of my favorites, SoFi Technologies. They're trading at $16.69, down a bit by about 2%. But here's why I'm into it. SoFi's got a killer business model that's making waves in fintech. With the potential for major growth, this is a long-term play I can't ignore. All right, that's your wrap for today. Hit that like button and subscribe to Daily Stock Market with Jake if you want this every day. Seriously, it helps a ton. Honestly, I'm still not totally sold on Broadcom at this price, but who knows? See you tomorrow.